And here we go. I have some boiling water here. I'm going to add some garlic and olive oil seasoning. Whoops. I got to take the, got a hole in it, but I don't have it off. Just a bit. I'm going to add some success rice. Cook it for 11 minutes. Why? Because it's one of those days. I'm trying to get in and out. Alexa, 11 minutes. I'm going to add a little olive oil to this pan right here. We're going to turn it up and let it heat up. I think I want to add a tad bit of butter too. And maybe a tablespoon or so. Turn this off. We're going to let this drain and just set it aside. Okay. I have 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to season them up a bit. And I'm using some golden herb seasoning. You want to come out. Checking for doneness. There we go. I'm going to set this aside. Okay, I poured a little bit of that oil off, but we're keeping some because it's full of flavor. I've turned my stove down to 2, and we have some mixed frozen vegetables here. We're going to put these in here. That should be it. Oh, let me go ahead and put it all in there. Why not? And this is going to season them up like really well. I might add just a little bit more. Let me turn that back up. So far it's cold. I'm going to get these all cooked up, okay? I'm going to add a tad bit more butter and some peppers. These are not going to take long at all. These are seasoned pretty well, and I'm going to let them cook until the green peas are tender, and they're about there right now. These are done. And I'm going to cover them so they can continue to cook. Make sure everything is nice and tender, okay? Trap that heat in. In the same pan, and I didn't clean it out, I'm going to add some, I'll turn this down lower. This is Kinder's Hot Honey Barbecue, which is delicious. We're going to add some open pit. And you have to do this to your taste. Make it taste the way you want it to taste. I'm going to add some soy sauce, and this is low sodium. That should do it. I'm going to add some brown sugar. even though we have the honey barbecue sauce. Some like it sweet. A bit of ginger. So easy to fall in love. My bad, y'all. I'm missing something. Some garlic or something. Oh. And this is some roasted garlic base. I'm going to add a little bit of this because you already know the story on the sodium in it. I'm sure you do. If you don't, it's salty, so be careful. Get this to go. Let's taste it first. I don't know why I'm feeling like I'm missing something. I do have a little bit of chicken broth over there. That's yummy. Taste the garlic. And this is just a little bit of chicken broth. So a little bit. Because I'm going to add some of this. I got this at an Asian store. And when they make their sticky wings and things like that, they add this sometimes. And it's really, really sticky. And it thickens. Looks like honey, doesn't it? But it's a lot thicker than honey. Let me use me a spoon here. Turn it back down. Okay. Hold on, hold on. You don't wipe it off, you'll have a hard time opening it when you get ready to reuse it. Slow down, sugar. I think I might want some hoisin in here, so let's just see. It's noisy. I'll let it simmer for a little bit. Whoa. Let me add some hoisin. And this should do it. I'm going to get this all stirred up and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. And I'll show you what I'll do next. Oops, let me put this back. See how nice and thick that is? Let me hurry. Turn it down to the lowest. So good. Here we go. I'm going to turn it off. I think I still want it to simmer for a couple more minutes so that sauce can really get into this chicken. Okay. Did anybody get the new Alexa? Did she just jump on your box? Well, I did, and she sounded and answered questions and everything just like a kid. And so I told her, I said, I want to go back to the older Alexa, the grown folks Alexa. Are you sure? She tried reasoning with me and everything, not to go back to the old Alexa. But she took me back. I'll be here whenever you're ready. I won't be ready. I don't like it. Let me know if she's come on your box and you like the way she talks and answers questions and so on. Let me know. Let me know. That should do it. It's been about another minute and a half or two, but you don't want to cook your chicken too long, the white meat especially, because it'll really get tough. I'm going to make a plate. I'll be right back. And here we go. Let's give it a taste, okay? I taste this rice. And taste these vegetables. The starter shell. That only took me about 45 minutes, give or take a few. But thanks for watching, and until next time, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. And remember that God loves you. Excuse me. And so do I. Don't forget to pray. Later.